What secrets lie frozen beneath the vast, icy expanse of Antarctica? This remote continent, a place of extreme cold and desolate beauty, holds mysteries that challenge our understanding of history, biology, and even physics. For decades, scientists have been drilling through miles of ice, and what they've found is nothing short of astonishing. Today, we're diving deep into the 9 most mind-bending discoveries made in the Earth's final frontier. Get ready, because what's hidden under the ice might just change everything you thought you knew. Let's start with something literally out of this world. In 2015, a team of researchers stumbled upon a meteorite. Not just any space rock, but one that originated from Mars. That's already cool, but here's the kicker. Embedded within this Martian meteorite were what appeared to be fossilized microbial samples. Tiny, ancient life forms that had traveled across the solar system, crash-landed on Earth, and remained perfectly preserved in the Antarctic freezer. This discovery reignited the debate about life on Mars. Could it be that we're not alone in the universe? And the first proof has been sitting on our own planet all along, just waiting to be found. The implications are staggering, suggesting that the building blocks of life might be more common across the cosmos than we ever imagined. But the mysteries aren't just from outer space. Some of the most perplexing finds hint at a forgotten chapter of human history right here on Earth. In the remote Lapale region, explorers unearthed several skulls that were distinctly different. They were elongated, with a cranial volume significantly larger than that of a typical human. These elongated skulls are reminiscent of similar finds in places like Peru and Egypt, leading to wild theories. Were these a separate, now extinct branch of the human family tree? Or do they point to ancient, unknown civilizations that practiced cranial modification for reasons we can only guess at? Some speculate it was a marker of royalty or divine status. Whatever the truth, these skulls suggest a human presence in Antarctica far earlier and far more complex than mainstream history tells us. And the plot thickens. As if elongated skulls weren't enough, satellite imagery and ground-penetrating radar have revealed something even more shocking: pyramids. Not natural, mountain-like formations, but structures with clear, defined angles and flat sides, eerily similar to the famous pyramids of Giza. Several of these pyramid-like structures have been identified poking through the ice or buried deep beneath it. Could a sophisticated proto-civilization have existed in Antarctica back when it was a temperate land, before the ice sheet formed millions of years ago? The idea sounds like science fiction, but the evidence is there, demanding an explanation. If these are man-made, it would force us to completely rewrite our history books and reconsider the origins of human civilization itself. From ancient civilizations to ancient life, the discoveries keep getting stranger. Imagine trekking across the ice and coming across the petrified remains of an animal you can't identify. That's exactly what happened to several expeditions. They found fossilized bones and complete skeletons of creatures that don't match any known species, living or extinct. These aren't dinosaurs or prehistoric mammals we're familiar with. They are bizarre, alien-looking animals that once roamed this continent. What were these creatures? How did they live? And what caused their extinction? These fossilized remains offer a tantalizing glimpse into a lost world, a unique Antarctic ecosystem that thrived in a climate we can barely imagine today. Now let us turn to a feature that looks like it's straight out of a horror movie: the Blood Waterfall. Flowing from the tongue of the Taylor Glacier is a plume of deep, crimson water that stains the white ice cliff it cascades down. For years, scientists were baffled. Was it some kind of algae? A bizarre chemical reaction? The truth is both scientific and spectacular. The water originates from a subglacial lake that has been trapped for millions of years, completely cut off from light and oxygen. This trapped water is incredibly rich in iron. When it finally seeps out and makes contact with the air, The iron oxidizes, it rusts turning the water a shocking blood red. It's a geological wonder, a living chemistry experiment that paints a vivid and frankly creepy picture on the frozen landscape. If a river of blood isn't strange enough for you, how about a monster from the deep? In a truly bizarre incident, researchers drilling through the ice shelf were pulling up their equipment when they found something clinging to the cable. From a depth of 342 meters, they had snagged a creature that no one could identify. Was it a new species of crustacean? A type of jellyfish from a bygone era, or something else entirely? The specimen was unfortunately lost before it could be properly studied, leaving only grainy photos and a legend. It remains a chilling reminder that in the dark, pressurized depths beneath the ice, unknown things are swimming. This brings us to one of the most exciting discoveries in modern biology. Scientists knew that subglacial lakes existed, but they were thought to be sterile, lifeless voids. Then, they drilled into a hidden lake beneath the Ross Ice Shelf, a body of water that has been sealed off from the rest of the world for millennia. They lowered a camera into the darkness, not expecting to see much. But what they saw was a revelation. The water was teeming with life. Small, translucent fish darted past the lens. Ethereal jellyfish pulsed through the current, and sea anemones waved their tentacles from the lake floor. This wasn't just microbial life. It was a complex, thriving ecosystem that had evolved in total isolation, in perpetual darkness, and extreme cold. It proves that life is incredibly resilient and can flourish in the most inhospitable environments imaginable. Just when you think Antarctica can't get any weirder, it throws a physics-defying curveball at us. Deep beneath the ice, a detector called the Antarctic Impulsive Transient Antenna, or ANITA, picked up something impossible. It detected high-energy particles, neutrinos, that weren't coming down from space, but shooting up from out of the Earth. According to the standard model of particle physics, this shouldn't happen. High-energy neutrinos are stopped by matter, so they shouldn't be able to pass through the entire planet. Scientists are scratching their heads. Are these signals evidence of a new type of particle beyond our current understanding? Or could they be pointing to something even more exotic, like interactions with dark matter? These unexplainable radio waves suggest that the ice of Antarctica might be the key to unlocking the fundamental laws of the universe. Finally, we have a discovery that challenges the very definition of where life can exist. Far from the coast, 260 kilometers inland from the open ocean and under nearly a kilometer of solid ice, researchers drilled a borehole. They were expecting to find nothing but mud on the seabed. Instead, their camera captured something incredible. Clinging to a lone boulder in the freezing, pitch-black darkness were stationary, sponge-like life forms. These are not microbes. They are complex, multicellular animals. How did they get there? What are they eating? They are hundreds of kilometers away from any obvious food source like sunlight-driven plankton. This discovery is a complete game changer. It suggests that there could be vast, undiscovered ecosystems of complex life deep beneath the ice sheets, living in ways we can't yet comprehend. It's a testament to the tenacity of life and a hint that even in the most barren places on Earth, secrets are just waiting to be uncovered. From Martian microbes and ancient pyramids to impossible physics and hidden ecosystems, Antarctica is not the dead continent we once thought it was. It is a dynamic, mysterious world, guarding secrets that span eons. Each new discovery only deepens the enigma, proving that there is still so much we don't know about our own planet. What other wonders are waiting for us, locked away under miles of ice? Only time and science will tell. Thanks for joining us on this journey to the bottom of the world. If you are as fascinated by these discoveries as we are, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more explorations into the unknown. Let us know in the comments which Antarctic mystery you find the most intriguing. Until next time, stay curious.